Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, EXP Realty in Naples, West Florida, and today I'm at one of our listings here in Golden Gate Estates, located west of Wilson Boulevard, and this is a fabulous deal for somebody. This home, it's a 4-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, a den, a dining area, oversized 3-car garage, pool on 2.1 acres, and the list goes on. Anyway, the price was just reduced, and it's located on a dead-end street here in Naples. Beautiful curb appeal, nice landscaping, everything is pretty neat. We're hosting an open house this Sunday. Now reach out, text HT210 to 239 360 5527, and we'll put some information down here as well for you. Alrighty, reach out, and inventory is low. We have most of our listings sold, so reach out for all the people that's moving here. Chat soon. Bye for now.